Hello, my beautiful flower friends. I'm so excited to share this project with you. These earrings that I am making today turned out to be way better than I ever expected them to come out. This was the first time I ever used resin. This is UV resin, so I didn't have to mix anything, but I do have to cure it with UV light, so I have a UV lamp. Or I've also seen people use natural light to cure the resin too. I went with UV resin because it's just easier to use and it's not as messy since you don't have to mix part A with part B. I also wanted pearlescent little shimmers in the resin too, and what I'm using here is just very fine glitter, so it's not giving me that same effect. I don't think I would be using this in my resin projects in the near future, but if you do want glitter or any extra special bedazzlement in your resin, definitely add that in and experiment with it. It's actually really fun to use resin. I think it's pretty funny that I'm making a long dangly earring. That is a style that I do not wear anymore. I used to love dangly earrings when I was in high school, and it's just really funny to think back to your past self and see the ways in which you've changed. Back when I was younger too, I also wanted to be a jewelry designer as well, and I think maybe during my high school years, or maybe during my college years, I did start my Etsy shop before. It was called Polychroma, and I wanted to just make jewelry, so I focused on making these colorful bracelets. And that's actually where most of the supplies for this video is coming from, things that I've collected over the years during my many career and hobby explorations. Not long ago too, my sister showed me a picture of myself in high school, and I was tanner and I had so many bracelets on. I had long hair. I was definitely into my punk rock phase, so everything was always skull and crossbones and stars and neon colors, and it's just pretty crazy to think how much I have changed, and that's not a bad thing at all. I think it's inevitable and really beautiful that we do change as we go through every day, and we don't really notice how much we do change until we really take a step back. And for me, that was looking back in time and being reminded of my previous chapters. I hope this video and me sharing my stories inspires you to try new things, celebrate where you've come from, how far you're going to go, and have fun with things. I'm here, I'm learning, always growing, and I'm always wishing you the best as well. Also, not too long ago, I reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, so thank you so much if you are subscribed to my channel and for following along. And if somehow you've stumbled upon this video and you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. Happy creating, happy pressing. Take care. Bye. And that